starting my own business in innovation, I wanted to see if what I did for my own, when creating my own business made sense. The aspect that I found more valuable or engaging, connecting with people that is that shares passion for innovation and connection. I went back and reviewed what I did when creating my business originally, but as I was mentioning before, I'm planning to use them with my clients, my potential clients, in order to help them use the frameworks for innovation to create better solutions or improve the way they work together. The way the micro-credential is delivered is really great. So yeah, go for it. You won't regret it.